Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve problems related to cubes and cube roots. And the first question is, if 2744 whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 2p plus 2, then find value of p. Okay, so power 1 by 3 means cube root. So here cube root of 2744 is equals to 2p plus 2. So 2744, which cube? See, 2744 is 14 cube. So 14 cube value is 2744. Now, so cube root of 14 cube is equals to 2p plus 2. Cube root get cancelled. So 14 is equals to 2p plus 2. No transpose 2. 14 minus 2 is equals to 2p. And 14 minus 2 how much? 12. 12 is equals to 2p. So 2 ones are and 2 sevens are. Therefore p value is how much? P value is 7. P is equals to 7. The volume of cube is 4913 centimeter cube. Then length of side of cube is. So volume of cube formula is side cube. Volume of cube formula side cube. Okay na? Now suppose let us consider a cube of each side A. Then so volume of cube is A cube, side cube. So volume is already given. How much volume? 4913 is equal to side cube. Now apply cube root on both sides. Cube root of 4913 cube root of side cube. Cube root cancel. Now length of the side is equal to cube root of 4913. Now our task is to find cube root of 4913. So what is the procedure? Okay na? First write perfect cube numbers up to 1000. See, 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125, 6 cube, 216, 7 cube, 343, next 8 cube, 512, 9 cube, 729, 10 cube, 1000. So up to 10 cube వరకు రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. సో టు ఫైండ్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబ్ నెంబర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రొసీజర్. నువ్వు ఎంత బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చినా పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబ్ నెంబర్, ఫర్ ఎనీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబ్ నెంబర్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఇట్స్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ వాల్యూ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ 3 digits. Now 913 one group. Here 913 is one group. Okay na? So here 913 one group and 4 is remaining group. Okay na? So we have to make group of 3 digits. Okay na? So groups manam cheyali 3 digits undala group lo. Suppose we do not have exactly 3 digits, then remaining digits comes under group 2. Okay na? This is group 1 and this is group 2. In group 1 what is the unit digit? 3. So among these perfect cube numbers, which perfect cube number ends with 3? 343. And cube root of 343 is 7. Okay na? So unit digit is 7. Next, so what about remaining group? 4. Here 4 lies in between perfect cube numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 ki madhyalone kada 4 vastundi. Now which one is smallest one among 1 and 8? 1. So 1 is a cube of 1. Okay na? So therefore my tens digit is 1. So what is the answer? 17. So cube root of 4913 is 17. 17 centimeters. Answer. The smallest natural number by which 704 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube is. So here the smallest natural number by which 704 must be divided. So to solve this problem, first find prime factorization of 704. Let's start with least prime number 2. 2 3s 6, 1 carry forward 10, 2 5s 10 and 2 2s 4. Again 2 table. 2 1s 2. Okay na, 1 carry forward 15. 2 7s 14. Again 1 carry forward. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry forward. Again 2 8s are 16. Next 2 44s are, 2 22s are, again 2 11s are, and let us use 11 table. 11 ones are. Now find prime factorization of 704 is 2 into 2 into 2 into, so how many? 6 times 2 into 2 into 11. So make group of 3 equal digits. See, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. And 11. Now here 2 repeats 3 times. Here 2 repeats 3 times. Here 11 repeats only 1 time. To make 704 as a perfect cube, we have to divide this 704 by 11. Okay na? If you divide 704 by 11, 11 cancel, we get a perfect cube number. Okay na? So ఈ 704 perfect cube number అవ్వాలంటే we should divide this number by 11, because 11 repeats only one time. It must be repeated 3 times, then only 704 becomes perfect cube number. So to eliminate 11, we should divide this number by 11. ఇది perfect cube number అవ్వాలంటే మనం 11 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి, 11 ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 11. And next one, if a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, then a square plus 1 by a square is. Okay, so this is very very important in various competitive exams. Okay na, especially in for bank exams they give this kind of questions. Say a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. We need a square plus 1 by a square. So we have a direct formula. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. And this is formula for a square plus 1 by a square. Here a plus 1 by how much? Already 3 is given. So 3 square minus 2. 3 square value 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2 value is 7. So answer is 7. Okay. So similarly, if a plus 1 by a is 5, then a square plus 1 by a square is. Same question. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to, formula is what? A plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. A plus 1 by a, 5. 5 square minus 2. 5 square value 25. 25 minus 2, 23. Okay. Let's solve one more model. Suppose if a minus 1 by a is given. Last time we given a plus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a is the formula. If a minus 1 by a is given, we have one more formula for a minus 1 by a. So a square plus 1 by a square is equals to, here we need a square plus 1 by a square. If a minus 1 by a is given, then a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2. If a plus 1 by a is given, then formula is a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. If a minus 1 by a is given, then formula is a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2. So ప్లస్ ఇస్తే క్వశ్చన్లో పాజిటివ్ ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ -2 వస్తుంది, క్వశ్చన్లో నెగిటివ్ ఇస్తే +2 వస్తుంది, అంతే. రిమైనింగ్ సేమ్. నవ్ a minus 1 by how much? 6 square plus 2. 6 square value 36. 36 plus 2 38. Okay na? So answer is 38. So last question, 10th question answer is 23. Let us move on to the next question. The value of cube root of 343 into cube root of 64. Cube root of 343 which cube? 7 cube into cube root of 64 means 4 cube. Cube root cancel. Cube root cancel. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. So the answer is 28. Next question. The value of 2.03 whole square minus 0.97 whole square is 3 plus k. Then k is. So we need value of this. Then we can compare with 3 plus k. Okay. So first, this is like a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, a value 2.03 plus b value 0.97 into a minus b 2.03 minus 0.97. So 2.03 plus 0.97 is 3. So 3 into 2.03 minus 0.97. If you subtract, you will get 1.06. You will get 1.06. Now if you multiply, you will get 3.18. So you given that 3.18, you given that value of this is 3 plus k. So 3 plus k is equal to 3.18. Now k is equal to 3.18 plus 3 becomes minus 3. So k value how much? 3.18 minus 3, 0.18. Therefore k is 0.18. Okay na? సో ఈ వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తే 3.18 వచ్చింది. 3.18 దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు వాడు? 3 ప్లస్ కే అన్నాడు కదా, ఈ 3 ప్లస్ కే. దెన్ ఫైండ్ కే వాల్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 0.001331. సో హియర్ గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 0.001331. సో we know that 1331 which cube? 11 cube. Before that, here 1331, so 0.001331 can be written as 1331 into, so after point how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 power, we are moving decimal point to the right side, so 10 negative exponent, 10 power minus 6. Now cube root of 1331 into cube root of 10 power minus 6. Apply cube root separately. So cube root of 1331 is 11 into cube root of 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 6, cube root means whole power 1 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 11 into 10 power minus 2. So 11 into 10 power minus 2 means 0.11. Now evaluate cube root of minus 125 by 343. We know that the cube root of a by b is equal to cube root of a by cube root of b. So apply same concept. Cube root of minus 125 divided by cube root of 343. So first of all, cube root of 343. So we know that 343 means 7 cube. So cube root get cancelled. And what about numerator? Cube root of minus 125 can be written as minus 5 whole cube. Okay. So negative integer power odd number is always negative. So that's why I consider minus 5 whole cube. Now cube root cancel. We get minus 5 by 7. This is our final answer. So answer is minus 5 by 7. Let us move on to the next question. Now, so cube root of 512 into cube root of 729. Cube root of 512. So 512 which cube? 8 cube. And what about 729? 729 is 9 cube. So cube root cancel, cube root cancel. 8 nines are is 72. Okay. So these are all direct questions. Now cube root of 0.125 into cube root of 0.343. So cube root of 0.125. Cube root of 0.125 means 125 by 1000 into cube root of 0.343 means 343 by 1000. So after point how many decimal places? We have 3 decimal places. That's why we written 3 zeros. Now cube root of 125 is 5 cube and 1000 is 10 cube. So we can write cube root of 5 by 10 whole cube. And here cube root of 7 cube is 343. 7 by 10 whole cube. Cube root cancel, and here cube root cancel, and we get the simplest form is 5 by 10 into 7 by 10. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So we get 7 by 2 tens are 20. So answer is 7 by 20. The final answer is 7 by 20. The value of cube root of 2744 by 4096. So cube root of 2744 divided by cube root of 4096. Okay. So let us find cube root of 2744 and cube root of 4096. So if you consider 2744, last digit, first of all we have to make a group of 3 digits from right side. So this is one group, these 3 digits one group, and this is another group. Here unit digit is 4. So in which perfect cube we get unit digit as 4? 4 cube, because 4 cube is equal to 64. So a perfect cube number 4th end avutundi 64 end avutundi. So 64 is a cube of 4. So unit digit is 4. Okay, right, cube root. Next, the unit first digit is 2. Okay na? So 2 lies in the perfect cubes, 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. Okay na? So 2 lies in between 1 and 8. Least number is 1. So my answer is 14 cube. So here cube root cancel by cube root of similarly 4096 is a cube of 16. Okay, so cube root cancel, 14 by 16, 2 7s and 2 8s, 7 by 8. And next question, the value of cube root of 1728, cube root of 5832. So first, as usual, take given number 1728. Okay na? So make a group of 3 digits from right side. This is one group, these 3 digits ee moodo group, and remaining number is 1. This is another group. Unit digit how much? 8. A cube 8 తో end అవుతుంది, 2 cube ends unit digit 8 తో end అవుతుంది, 2 cube. So 2 cube 8. So my unit digit of cube is 2. So okay na? Now what about 10th digit? So here first digit is 1. So we know that 1 cube is equal to 1. So my first digit is 1. So cube root of 12 cube. Cube root cancel. And what about cube root of 5832? Consider 5832 and one group and second group. 3 digits, one group. Unit digit is 2. Which perfect cube ends with 2? 8 cube. 512 ends with 2. So my unit digit is 8. And what about ones? So 5 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. Okay na? So least one is what? 1. So 18 cube. Cube root cancel. So you will get 12 by 18 and 6 2s 6 3s. You will get 2 by 3. So answer is 2 by 3. The value of cube root of 4096 into 64. It can be written as cube root of 4096 into cube root of 64. Cube root of 4096. 4096 which cube? 16 cube. Into cube root of 64 which cube? 4 cube. Cube root cancel, cube root cancel. 16 4s 64. So answer is 64. The volume of cubical box is 343 by 27 centimeter cube. Which of the following is the side of the box? Volume of cubical box. Volume of cube formula, V is equals to side cube. Okay. Volume how much have we given? 343 by 27 is equal to side cube. Okay. 343 which cube? 7 cube. And 27 3 cube is equal to side cube. 7 cube by 3 cube can be written as 7 by 3 whole cube is equal to side cube. So cube cancel. Side is equal to how much? Now side of cubical box is 7 by 3 centimeters. Now what is the correct option? Option B. Cube root of 2744 into 27. We have a formula, cube root of AB is equal to cube root of A into cube root of B. Cube root of A value how much? 2744 into cube root of B 27. Cube root of 2744 which cube? 2744 cube of which number? 14 cube into 27 3 cube. Cube root cancel, cube root cancel. 14 into 3. 14 3s are 42. So answer is 42. Let us move on to the next question. The value of cube root of minus 2300 into 5290. Cube root of minus 2300 into 5290. So cube root of minus 23 into 2300 can be written as 23 into 10 square into 5290 can be written as 529 into 10. Okay, cube root of minus 23 10 square into 10 cube. See, ఇక్కడ 10 square ఉంది, 10 ఉంది. 10 square into 10 10 cube. 529 which square? 23 square. So into 23 square. Now cube root of minus 23 into 23 square 23 cube into 10 cube. Now cube root of minus 20 cube into 10 cube. So we can write it as minus 23 into 10 whole cube is equal to, so we all know that negative integer power odd number is always negative. So cube root of, we can write it as minus 23 into 10 230 whole cube. Cube root cancel, we get minus 230. So answer is minus 230. Let us move on to the next question. The value of cube root of 13824 by 1728 plus cube root of 8000 by 3375. So find values of cube roots. See, cube root of 13284 by cube root of 1728 plus your cube root of 8000 by cube root of 3375. Okay na? So ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. So let us find cube root of 13284. Make a group of 3 digits, group 1 and last 2 digits, group 2. Unit digit is 4. Which perfect cube number ends with 4? 64. 64 is a cube of 4. So my unit digit is 4. And to get tens digit, let us consider second group, 13. 13 lies in the interval 2 cube and 3 cube. So 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. 13 lies in between 8 and 27. So 8 ki 27 madhyalo 13 ఉంటుంది. So least value is 8. 8 cube root is 2. Okay na? So 24. So cube root of 13284 is 24 by cube root of 1728. So 12. This is simple only. And cube root of 8000. 20 cube is 8000 by cube root of 3375. 15 cube. So 15 is equal to 12 ones, 12 twos, 5 threes and 5 fours. 2 plus 4 by 3. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 by 3. So the answer is 10 by 3. And my last question of this session, cube root of 15625. Okay, so ఎలా find out చేయాలి? Cube root of 15625. Very simple. Make a group of 3 digits from right side. So group 1, remaining group 2. In group 1, unit digit is 5. Okay na? Here unit digit is 5. So in which perfect cube number we get unit digit as 5? So obviously 125. 125 is 5 cube. Okay, so my unit digit is cube root of 15625. Unit digit is 5, and whatever remaining digits 15. So 15 lies in between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. So 8 here 15 lies in between 8 and 27. So 8 ki 27 ki middle lone kada untundi 15. So what is the least number? 8. So 8 is a cube of 2. So my tens digit is 2. Okay, so value of 25 cube is 15625. So answer is 25.